Bro, if you want to be attractive to women, you need to be very careful and very conscious about the colors you put on your body. Because different colors, and I did not invent this, it's just science, they signal different things about you. They trigger different emotional reactions in people. So what you wear is not just style, it's basically a language of communication. And like you can probably guess by now, some colors can make you more attractive to women and some colors will make you less attractive to women. Now, if you want a simple solution and you just want to dress attractive, like color-wise, without overthinking it, here's the rule. Pick any color from the color wheel and wear a less saturated version of it. Like muted, washed, dusty. Those tones make you look calmer, more expensive, and way more put together. You're welcome, by the way. But if you want more detailed, more nuanced answer, stick with me. When you think about color attraction, think about it like this. First, ask yourself, what traits do women actually want in a man? Then, pick colors that communicate those traits. And we are starting with white. If you take any color and you drag the saturation down to 0, you end up in a black and white world, basically. And it's not like you always get pure black or pure white. You get a shade of gray. So on my simple guy logic, if colors close to white, black and gray are attractive, then we should start by explaining why. And white because it mainly communicates calmness. It can communicate other things too, depending on the culture and all that, but we're not going there today. We're only focusing on attractive side of what white communicates, like in terms of attraction and like what it signals. And the man a woman can feel calm with and safe with is a man who will always be attractive. Now, gray. When we talk about color attraction, we also need to ask, where does these colors show up in nature? So where do we see gray? Stones are gray. Mountains look gray from distance. Gray is color of things that do not move. So gray signals stability. It signals grounded. It signals you are not chaotic. And I think we do not even need to explain why this is an attractive trait. Now, black. Black is actually a very interesting color because it's also very attractive, like insanely attractive. But why? Black is the color of the night. And what's night like? Mysterious. There's something scary about it, and at the same time something you want to lean into because it feels unknown and the mystery is intriguing. Brown. Another color women find crazy attractive is brown. Stable, strong, grounded. Blue. Where do we see blue in nature? The sky. Water. Blue is another calm color, but it also signals trust. And this is why you see blue all the time in sales, because it quietly signals you, like, bro, you can trust me. And that trust is also very attractive. Beige. Beige is basically cousin of brown, and in my opinion, it's attractive for two main reasons. First, it's light, so it sits close to white, which means it keeps that calm, clean, soft vibe. And the second thing, beige has cultural associations. It screams old money, quiet wealth, status. And that status makes it a very attractive color. Green. Green is attractive because in nature, green is plants, grass, trees, leaves. Green is the color of life, and the most attractive shade for men, in my opinion, is bottle green. Because on one side it signals vitality, and on the other side, because it's darker, not bright, there's something quietly mysterious about it. So here's a simple rule that you can keep in your head. The more you move up the brightness scale closer to white, the more approachable you look, more open, more clean. And the more you move down closer to black, the more mysterious it feels. And here's the best part, you don't have to limit yourself to one color in an outfit, like, right? You can mix them. And that's how the message you send with the way you dress gets more complex. You can actually plan what you want to communicate. And now, if you want more specific examples of what outfits you can actually build from this, and if this video was valuable for you, I really encourage you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get notified about the newest videos. Vlog's over, sorry, but you can still watch more. Maybe you could watch this one, or maybe you could watch this one. This one is actually pretty good. You should watch this one. Well, actually, you know what? This one's pretty great too. You should definitely watch this one. You know what? Actually, this one is pretty good too. Maybe try watching both at the same time. Maybe try clicking like both.